Hello everyone and welcome to another EMini future weekly analysis. We are looking into the Nasdaq 100 index futures. Today is Saturday, December 17th. We are looking into December 19th. Let's start with the 3-year weekly charts, and the levels are pretty much similar and have just moved the last week high and the last week low, and the levels that we had drawn before actually held pretty well. One thing that I want to show you are a few of these similarities in the chart. So if you look at this drawdown, which was around 43 days of 24%, and let's see if this one is similar. That is, okay, 58 days, 24%. And in between those drawdowns, we have these small spikes, which is like, let's see how big are these spikes. They're like 17 days, 12%, and this one here is 10 days, 10%. So if we are considering this as a drawdown here, and that's one price level where I'm thinking it'll bounce, but this is a trend line here, and this is also a gap fill, and let's see, that is around 12 days, 10%, and 21 days, 10%, 13%. You can see also the same thing here, pretty much the same distances. So I would say it'll test this trend line, fill the gap, bounce up, and that's usually 10 days. So somewhere here around 9%, that's that level of 12,085. And from there again, we are thinking that it'll go and break this trend line. This is if you see in this bigger bull channel. So if I draw just a line like that, in a bearish channel, so that was not a bigger bull channel, a bigger bear channel. In this bearish channel, it's forming a bear flag, just going up. We'll test this trend line, test this trend line up here again maybe, and then break out of this trend, and will ultimately come and test this bear channel. So as of now, it is in this flag here, this bear flag, and at some point of time it will break and test these ones here, and we can see here that is one level there. So we'll draw right there, and then obviously we have drawn these levels here that needs to be tested. So we'll see if this bear channel continues and how far it continues. One other thing that we should also keep into mind towards the upside is that if it breaks out of this channel here, and confirms, that means it retests on the top but doesn't sell off into the channel again, then officially we would break this bearish channel. Let's look at the daily and see if there are any changes there. Not much that I can see from the daily. I can see a W pattern here, but it has been going sideways. It broke that sideways completely, and now if it retests from the bottom, I would definitely try to add to my short, as of now I am short in MNQ. And definitely, if you can see this pattern here, that's an M pattern, which stands for murder basically. So that's a sell-off pattern, and it broke that pattern. So it broke that support area, tested this other support area, bounced up, and what I want to see if it holds. So if 11,466 to 11,500 holds, I would be adding to my short there, targeting 11,288. Obviously this gap fill is what I'm targeting. So I am bearish now. Officially, it is in the bearish trend, so I am bearish and I am short going into next week. That's all I had for next week. As always, keep your stop losses tight, your losses small, and your profit at large. Thank you for listening.